Hey everybody, it's Jessie J and welcome to my channel Math with Moxie, where my pet pug Moxie and I give you the world's OK-est math tutorials. Today our focus is going to be converting decimals to fractions, but before we really get into it, I think it's important to review place value. So if you look at the top middle of the page, you will see a red decimal. On the left, we have the thousands place, the hundreds place, the tens, and the ones. As we move to the right, we're getting into fractional numbers. So we have tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. Take note that we don't have a oneths. We go straight for the tens. Okay, so first one, let's try this. Okay, so we'll bring down our decimal there. We have the 3 being in the tenths column. So how we write that in fraction form is we have a 10 as the denominator and 3 goes on the top for our numerator. So 3 tenths. Okay, let's try something else. Okay, put the decimal back up there. Okay. All right, in this one, we have our 5 in the hundredths column. So this will be written with 100 in the denominator and 25 on top, 25 hundredths. Okay, let's add something else to that. Now we have our decimal up there. Now our last part is in the thousandths column. So 1,000 will be our denominator, and then we'll have 375 over that, making it 375 thousandths. Okay, now what happens if we have something on the other side of the decimal? Okay, so now we have a whole number. So that will be 1 and 375 thousandths. So we will write that, oops, 75 thousandths, just like this. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, what if we have something like this? Well, our number here is in the thousandths. It goes all the way to the thousandths. So 1,000 will be in our denominator and 5 will be at the top. So we have 5 thousandths. Okay, let's try some more where we will maybe need to reduce. I mean, not reduce, I'm sorry. Yes, I think that's what I want to say. Okay, 0.75. Okay, so a lot of us know this is 3/4. Well, how do we get 3/4? Well, if we put 75 over 100 because that 5 is in the hundredths place, well, we know that 75 can be divided by 25, and so can 100. So 25 will go into 75 3 times, and it will go into 100 4 times. So 0.75, if we just skip over that, it is 3/4. Let's try another one. Okay, let's do 0.45. Okay, how do we put this in fraction form? Well, that's easy. We know that the 5 is in the hundredth spot, so we will put 145, but that can be reduced. So you may see this as, okay, 5 will go into 45 9 times and into 100 20 times as 9/20ths. All right, let's try one more. All right, let's do 0.65. Okay, so 65, and we'll put that over 100 because the 5 is in the hundredth spot. Now we can reduce that. We can divide that and turn that into 13/20ths. Because 5 will go into 65 13 times, and 5 will go into 120 times. So that is just a quick tutorial on how to convert decimals to fractions. I hope you found it helpful. If so, please follow.